How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your Logitech C270 camera problem. So the first thing that you want to do is to head over to the device manager. And basically from here, you want to expand the image or the webcam settings. So just simply look for your webcam inside this page. And then you want to right click on the C270 HD camera. Now, in my case, it's going to be inserted as a USB input devices, but in some other computers, it will be named in other. So after looking or after finding the C270 webcam, right click on it, click on update drivers, and then just click on the search automatically for drivers. This will then update the drivers for your Logitech, making sure that it's compatible with the latest application and other programs in our device. Right after, let's head over to the camera privacy setting. Basically, in some other cases, it will actually block the usage of your camera if this specific setting is turned off. So just make sure that the camera access, anyone using this device can choose if their apps have camera access when this is turned on right here. And you also have to make sure that your application has access to your camera. So in my case, Microsoft Teams has access. The HEVC player for Windows is also accessed and more. And so that's all you have to do in software right here. But of course, you could also check out your physical connections, the USB ports on your device to make sure that they are clear of debris and dirt, and it is connected properly. Right after, you will be able to fix your Logitech C270 camera problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.